Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to share with you guys how we set up our Takstar boom mic setup. Alright, so we just got the Takstar microphone and we had to film something for a client and we had to do a boom mic setup, and I'm going to share with you guys how we did that. So this is what part of the setup looked like. We had the mic going over the subject there, and we actually had two umbrella lights on either side and then the camera in the middle of those two lights. You can only see one of the lights in the picture. So here's what you're going to need for this setup. You're going to need your Takstar shotgun microphone, the mic screw adapter. So this is a small screw that is going to connect your Takstar microphone to the mic stand, and it's a specific type of screw, so I will have the links to all of the things that I'm talking about down in the description below. Next, you're going to need a 3.5mm extension, and this is going to be able to have you extend the length of the Takstar being over the subject, how we have it there, and then we're going to be able to connect it. We were about maybe 5 feet away from the subject, connecting it to our camera. Now the one that we got was about 25 feet long, but you can get one as short as 10 feet. And these are optional, but we also had two umbrella lights. Like I said, all of these items will be in the description below so you guys can see our exact setup that we had. In the next clip, you're going to see the actual setup in progress so you can see how everything connects together. Alright, so I'm here filming on my cell phone right now, my iPhone 8 Plus, and this is our setup for the Takstar boom mic setup. So as you can see, we've got the Takstar here and it's already attached to the mic stand. This is just like a regular mic stand that you can get on Amazon. But you need to make sure that you have this kind of a screw on here. This is going to connect the mic stand to the Takstar. So I'll have a link down in the description as to the exact one that we used. And then you're going to have the Takstar cord here, and you're going to have it connect to a 3.5mm extension. And this one that we have here is about 25 feet, but you can get them in different lengths. You can get them in a shorter length, like I think you can get them in 10 feet, but ours is 25 feet. And then it runs all the way down here, and then we've got it set up to our camera. So we also have two umbrella lights. If you don't know how to set these up, or you don't know how they work at all, I'll also have a link in the description below. But then that extension cord that I was just pointing to, that goes on to the side of our Nikon D5500. Now you might have a different camera, so it might go to a different area. But basically, for us, for the Nikon, all we do is we have it set up here going above the person, and you turn it on and you can see that the green light is on. Make sure that's on. Make sure you have a battery. We have a rechargeable battery, an EBL rechargeable AA battery, and then you turn on your camera and then it should work. And that is our boom mic setup for the Takstar shotgun microphone. Alright guys, well that was it for this video. That is how we set up our Takstar boom mic setup. If I was able to help you out at all, please let me know by giving this video a like, a comment, or subscribe. All that would be very much appreciated. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Back from the dead.